welcome back.
Hi, company guys.
And today, me and Piper are going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. So first thing that you always do is preheat your oven. So when you have everything ready, you could just put it into the oven.
And wash your hands.
Yeah, wash your hands too. So we're gonna preheat it to 350. And then we're gonna get started. Okay, so our ingredients are 2 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup of white flour, but not flour, salt. But we don't have any like regular cane sugar, so we just have powdered sugar. And then we have 1 cup of butter, some chocolate chips, 2 eggs, salt, vanilla extract, and baking powder or baking soda.
And we need a pan too.
And a pan. And a large bowl and a mixing thing. So yeah. Okay everyone, so we combine all our dry ingredients, which contains flour, baking soda, and salt. So now Piper is going to do the wet ingredients.
Yeah.
So first we actually do the sugar.
Oh.
So put the sugar in the bowl. So 3/4 cup of white sugar, and then 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. So combine all of that.
Do I mix it?
Mm-hmm. Combine.
Oh. Sorry about whisking.
So let's show like that. Then whisk it. And then we're going to add 1 cup of butter. Can I have this please?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a little bit softened. So we have our butter. Oops. And then when we combine all of that, we're going to combine 2 eggs.
Your packet.
So 1.
We mix it all together and then do another one.
2. Oops, there's butter on here. And then our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's add this in here. So we have 1 teaspoon, and then we're gonna combine that all together. And I'm gonna clean up a little bit while she's stirring, because we like to have a clean area. So now that's all combined, we're going to add this. Oops. Do you need any help?
Oh, yes, please.
Uh-oh. Okay, so we're just going to combine this together, and we'll be back when this is all combined. Okay, so we're back. Everything is combined. It's looking beautiful. And so I didn't know this at first. If I knew this, I would have said it when the video first started. But we're going to have to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes because it's kind of soft because our butter was very melted. So next we're going to add our chocolate candy. And Pepper is going to stir. And then stir. And then we're gonna do it when everything, at least like every inch of it has like a chocolate in.
It should be a little thick when you stir it.
Yeah, so we're just gonna fold it over. Yep. A folding technique. So everything's combined. You wanna try, Pepper?
Sure.
So just try to fold it over. That's what I learned when I was younger when we made brownies.
I'm not very good at this.
It's okay, you'll learn. But yeah, that's what I learned from my mommy when we were making brownies. When we have to fold it so everything like gets really combined. So how to fold, you just pick it up and then fold it over, and then just keep doing that. So yeah, next We're gonna and then we're gonna grab a spoon and make sure everything is off because we want to get every inch of this.
You don't want to waste ingredients.
Yeah. Can you please get the plastic wrap? Yeah, and then we just wrap it over.
Is that good?
Yeah, cut it. Then you take it, make sure it's really tight, and then do it one more time. Okay.
Yeah.
And then cut it. Oops. So everything is all sealed up, so it doesn't dry out. And we'll be back, and we'll fill this up into little teaspoon sizes. Okay, so we're back. This has chilled. It's very hard, and the M&Ms are like really hard. So we're gonna take a tablespoon, and we're gonna just scoop some out. And then you're gonna take it. We cleaned our hands. You're gonna take it out of the scoop, and put it on. Roll it, and then put it on a 12-inch cookie pan. And we're gonna do 3 by 4. So we're gonna make 12 cookies each pan. So we'll be back when this is all lined up. Hey everyone, so we rolled them all out, and Piper is washing some dishes. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. Excuse me, Zoe. It's at 375 actually. Last time we did 350, so it's gonna be 375. So we're gonna put this down. Nala, back. So we're gonna add 1 tray. And Piper's tray. Piper added smiley faces, but I don't think it's gonna stay. It's probably gonna melt together.
I should have added M&M's of it instead last time. I remember last time we made it.
Okay, Nala, be careful. And then we're gonna put a timer for 9 to 11 minutes. And then it's gonna cool for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on a baking rack to let them cool too. So I'm gonna do like 12 minutes. No, not 12, because let's do 10 minutes. So we have 10 minutes on the timer, and we'll be back when all of this is cooked. Hey guys, so we made the cookies. And we're gonna... You already... Okay. Anyways, we're gonna try the cookies. They're very soft on the top. We let them cool for like 5 minutes. Those are really good. It'd be better with milk, but it's still super good. You guys should try it. So bye. Peace.
Welcome back mga kabunina, mga kabakoko. Nakasakay po kami sa kotse ngayon. Pupunta po kami ng pagupitan. Papagupitan ko po sila tatay at si nanay. Sabi po nila mukha na raw po silang hukbalahap eh. Oh, diba? Ay, pag tatay matawag siya ng hukbalahap, diba? Ano ka na, ay?
Gwapong aso.
Oh, gwapong aso. Sabi nila. Okay,
Ako
sige po
ba,
guys,
Ako pangit na elepante.
pangit na elepante daw si nanay. So magdadrive lang po ako, dyan lang po sa sa kabilang highway. Focus muna po ako sa pagdadrive, tapos punta po ako ng hardware. Susunod na araw po medyo maalamig yung panahon. Iinit yata. So ready na kami ni tatay mag pressure wash. So balik lang po kami. Salamat po. Oh, hello mga kabakoko, mga kabuninay. Kararating namin galing sa paggawa ng pinagupitan si nanay, nagdala sa Tripway, kumuha ng grocery, tsaka pumunta sa hardware para susunod na araw. At tinignan ko yung weather, baka bukas, 2 araw daw kuno o araw dito. So, bumili lang kami ng pang pressure wash para sa sa maglilinis kami sa sunod. So, balik kami mga kabuninay, mga kabukoko. Hello mga kabukoko, welcome back.
Hi, Kabuninas.
So we're here in our mini garden. For today's, we're just checking the weather, and we're gonna get ready for our gardening very soon. Piper, we're gonna introduce what kind of plants or flowers we have right here. Go ahead, baby.
We have primrose, we have violet, orchid. I think
Yes, the blue.
and then I think that's orchid. green or violet, and then we have white too.
And white, and we got some right here that we bought last week. The different colors of the primrose. So we were gonna plant it those ones if the weather is really good. So for now, we were just scouting what we can able to do for our garden. So we already bought a soil a week ago with Papa and Tatay or Kabakoko.
And Papa Van Broccoli.
Yes, and we're checking what we can do when the weather is good. So we're gonna come back. Bye.
Kabakoko, kabuninay, meron kaming bagong pressure washer. Gagamitin namin ngayon. At lalagyan na muna natin ng sabon.
Bali mga kabakoko, mga kabuninay, magpe-pressure wash kami. Medyo maganda ang panahon. Malamig pa rin. Nakakakinginig pa rin yung lamig.
Oops, it's full already.
Pero pipilitin namin magawa ngayon para meron kaming nagagawa kahit konti-konti. So balik muna kami. Naglalagay lang muna si tatay ng set up niya yung pressure wash, tapos lalabas kami. Papakita namin kung paano kami nagpe-pressure wash dito. Okay, salamat.
Kabuninay, let's go to the spa.
Okay, nag-English-Englishan si tatay, mga kabako. Sorry na ano ko. Doon siya sa kabila. Ito medyo maaraw na, pero malamig pa rin po. Sa balang bahay. Set up ni tatay. Okay, welcome back mga kabako. Ito si tatay. Sineset up niya lahat yung gagawin muna. Plug niya, pati yung mga tubig. Tapos unahin daw niya yung steps ng na hagdanan, yung 2 steps kasi may moss. Dito po sa lugar namin, malamig po dito sobra. Karamihan po ng rito problema yung mga lumot. Lumot po ang palaging pakita ko po sa inyo. Ano po yung sinasabi ko? Sandali lang po. Hindi ko po Yan po. Yan po. Yan. Yan po yung mga over years po. Yung mga lumot na yan. Kumakalat po yan. So, lilinisin po ni tatay. Medyo, tulad nga po sabi namin nakarang araw, maganda ang panahon ngayon. Hinintay lang ni Piper si tatay na matapos at tutulungan din namin. Tatay, sineset up na niya. Make sure na ready lahat. Ito po yung project ni tatay dati. Yan po yung niya, yung succulent. Medyo sobrang lamig, ganyan ang itsura. Hindi po ako lamigin. Welcome ba mga kaboko ko, medyo maingay at malakas, maingay po yung makina. So ganyan po yung ginagawa namin ni tatay. Every year po yan, every springtime. Nag-pressure wash po kami. Para po, imbis na nakaluhod ka, iskabahin mo ng kamay mo, mangangalay ka po buong maghapon. So gumagamit po kami ng power wash or power spray. Mas madali po. Oh, yan po, ganyan po ang pag-power wash. Daan-dahan, maingay lang po. Medyo maganda po ang panahon ngayon dito. Papakita ko lang po yung namin, neighboring. And Piper was saying, say hi Pipey! Maldita, ayaw mag-hi. Mga kapako, ito na si tatay. Lumilipat-lipat siya ng pwesto. Sinosok muna yung ibang mga lumot. Ang hirap daw kasi tanggalin masyadong makapit. So ito na. Yan yung dati, maitim. Tapos ganyan ang itsura kapag na-pressure wash na. Pumuputi na ng konti. Pero tsagaan lang. Balik naman po ulit kami mamaya. Welcome back mga kabakoko, mga kabuninay. Si tatay nag-pressure wash pa rin. Kumain muna kami sandali, quick break. Then balik ulit kami. Medyo mahaba-haba po to dahil buong kabahayan po. Magiging po rin si tatay. Gusto rin po niya na malinis maigi. So, balik po kami. Update lang po. Maganda po ang panahon. Pero, sobrang lamig pa rin po talaga. Kaya naka-jacket po. Naka-doble po ako ng damit. Si tatay po naka-jacket din. Naka-boots lahat. Kompleto. Pero mahangin po. Sobrang lamig. Maya-maya na po. Paaraw muna po kami doon sa araw. Balik po ako mga kabuninay. Nandito rin uli pa kami sa labas. Mag-aana pa po si tatay, nagpe-pressure wash pa, di pa po tapos. Pero nga sabi ko po, abutin po ito ng mga ilang araw. Sobrang lamig po. Dito po kami, supervise ko po si tatay. Ako po supervisor niya eh. Tapos si kabuninay naman po, ayan, nag-exercise. Paikot-ikot po siya. Yan po ginagawa niya para ma-exercise po rin yung paa niya. Balik po kami uli. Nag-exercise ka, Nay?
Hindi pa, papagod na ako.
Nakailang ikot ka lang? Pagod ka na?
2 ikot lang, pagod na.
Pagod na raw po. Pagod na raw po siya mga kabuninay, mga kabakoko. Ayan po ginagawa niya, sa labas po siya.
Tandaan na eh.
Walang kapitbahay Uli si kabuninay, nag-exercise daw po siya. Para siya robot na naglalakad dyan sa kalye. Wala pong kachismisan, so lakad na lang daw po siya. Ikot-ikot lang daw po siya. Sabi po kasi ng doktor, kailangan po niyang exercise kahit pa paano. So maganda po ang panahon pero malamig sobra. So ikot po siya, lumalayo-layo na Baka maligaw. Yung mga apo nagbabike po. Si kabuninay para po siyang robot na naglalakad diyan sa kalsada. Walang kachismisan eh. Yan po siya. Nakailang ikot na po siya ngayon. Tapos si kabakoko naman po.
So we're coming back from mommy's work and we're going home and the sun is setting right now. As you can tell, it's like very sunny. And yeah. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we come home if we do vlog. But yeah, we just dropped off stuff at mom's work. Right, mommy?
Yes.
So yeah, my hair is very shiny. So we actually didn't go straight home. We actually stopped by an ice cream shop.
It's called Bahay.
So yeah, I got a small sundae and mom got a milkshake and Piper got a blizzard. So we'll see you guys when we're at home.
Hey mga kabuninay, mga kabakoko, we're just here at the drive-thru. We stopped by for ice cream because the weather it's good, a little sunny but not totally sunny.
It's very bright. It's sunny but cold.
Yes. So we the girls wanting a little treat because they behaved a little bit. So we're gonna have some ice cream. So we'll be back. We're waiting right here.
It's 57 degrees.
Yeah, it's 57 right now. So we'll be back. Bye.
Hi everyone. Hi. So we're back and we got our Dairy Queen. Mom got a smoothie and I got a small sundae. And what did you get, Piper?
Ours got a mint cookie blizzard thing.
So yeah.
My favorite explain things.
Eating dessert before dinner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which is an unusual thing because that usually never happens.
Yeah. It's very, very rare to happen.
Yeah, probably like once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah, but because you guys are behaved, so I give you guys a treat, an ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Because you guys helped me at least to bring a little bit something to the point. Okay, bye! Hello guys! Checking ko lang si tatay kasi habang kumakain kami ng ice cream, narinig ko, sabi hindi raw siya makalakad. So punta lang ako sa kwarto nila. Ang dilim talaga sa bahay namin. Tingnan mo, laging madilim eh. Laging lang madilim. So, punta ako. Si nanay, umiinom. Minom siya ng tubig niya. Sa Pilipinas talaga yung ano namin, yung loob ng kwarto nila. Nakita ko, narinig ko sila makalakad si tatay. O, yan, din mo. Ano nangyari sa'yo, tay?
Bakit yung balakang ko nalamigan niya tanong to.
Oh, tatay can get up because he's trying to finish the front house earlier for pressure washing. But I told him do not finish it because we were gonna do it for a couple days or 3 days because the weather will be good. And tatay was like, oh, I'm gonna finish this one. And it's so cool. I told him, it's like, you have to be done there before 3 because the sun is shining. Around 4 o'clock, it will be cold. And he just finished before 5. So now he can even able to get up right now because he was totally like, how to call it, lean forward all the time like that. So the room smelled like efficacy oil right now. So he was massaging his body and he was like laying on his bed. So we're gonna update it maybe tomorrow. It's kind of late right now. So we're gonna update it tomorrow and we're gonna show some pressure washing also, guys. Thank you. Oh, hello everyone. Thanks for watching our daily vlogs. If you enjoyed our video for today, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys are already updated to our daily vlogs. And all our links will be on the description box. We had Instagram, Facebook, and you can guys message us and leave the comment below if you guys any thing to say. Please support our channel, the Mikhai family. Maraming salamat po. God bless. Ingat po kayo. Bye!